Hey Maggie, look at this. What's over here?
That's our bald chicken. That's our bald chicken.
Yeah.
We do realize we gotta get her out of the city more. Like she's we got
She's too shy.
He's shy?
yeah.
Look, there's another one.
Love horses. We love horses. She saw her first cat going out of town. She's like, I'm like, okay, we need to get this chick out.
The rest of us are like, man, I gotta feed it.
I totally. How fun.
Well, the white
When
one,
did they just get
the
back?
white like half hour ago, maybe 45 minutes. I did tell you the white one was no longer there.
You had to put it down?
No, it died.
Not the white one, the one with the flower?
The chicken, yeah.
Oh, the white chicken. Which one did you have to put down first?
No, too.
Excuse me?
That would have been dramatic.